Hi guys. If you've been feeling different lately, more quiet, more detached, harder to impress, more selective, don't fight it. You're not losing yourself, you're evolving. Listen closely to what I'm about to say, because every man who becomes powerful goes through this exact phase first. It's not depression, it's not burnout, it's transformation. The shift where your priorities start rewiring themselves. The moment the old version of you, the one who chased attention, approval, and validation, starts fading. And the new version, the grounded, steady, controlled one, starts to rise. If you've been feeling that urge to pull back from nonsense, to isolate, to move quieter, to think deeper, you're not falling off, you're leveling up. You're disconnecting from weakness because power doesn't need to announce itself. It's silent, it's still, and it shows up the moment you stop trying to prove it. And if you're ready to understand why this phase is secretly the most magnetic version of you she's ever seen, grab my book Attraction Secrets. The link is in the description. Number 1, you've stopped chasing, you've stopped explaining, you've stopped begging to be seen. You've realized something most men never will. The moment you stop proving your value, you start embodying it. You're done feeding everyone else's comfort at the cost of your own peace. You've started protecting your energy instead of leaking it. That shift right there is what triggers attraction. Because women do not crave the man who's everywhere. They crave the man who's hard to reach, hard to read, hard to replace. When you start prioritizing peace over attention, everything about you changes. You move slower, you speak less, you make eye contact longer, you hold silence until it feels heavy. And every woman who crosses your path feels it. Something about your energy slows her down. She pays attention without even knowing why. That's the paradox of power. The less you try to be noticed, the more people actually notice you and feel your presence. Number 2, you've started living with meaning. Viktor Frankl once said, strength comes from meaning, not control. And he was right. When you stop chasing control of women, of outcomes, of attention, you start chasing meaning. You stop reacting emotionally and start moving with intent. That's the energy women respond to. It's the quiet confidence that tells her, this man doesn't need me to feel significant. This man has already found something deeper than me. I'm just adding to it. And that's when she starts chasing, because women are addicted to certainty. And the most certain energy on the planet is a man who doesn't need to prove anything. Number 3, you've learned emotional control. Usually when a man becomes quiet, it's not because he's empty. It's because he's full of direction, full of purpose. He's been drained too many times by shallow connections, meaningless conversations, and people who only knew the version of him that needed approval. But now he's done acting. He's done trying to explain himself. He's comfortable being misunderstood because he finally understands himself. And that's what women feel. The assurance of a man who's no longer running from who he is. That's why silence is so powerful. It doesn't argue for power, it is power. It's the kind that makes people lower their tone when you speak. Number 4, you've withdrawn to evolve. If you've been spending more time alone, thinking deeper, feeling detached from things that used to excite you, you're stepping into your next chapter. You know those moments where you're second guessing every single thing you do or say around her? That's no coincidence. Women have mastered the art of psychological manipulation to keep men off balance. I've put together a completely free guide to help you recognize and counter these attacks. So go ahead and click the link and take back your confidence. That discomfort you feel, that loss of interest in like shallow things, it's separation. Separation from everything that kept you weak. Because when your energy matures, your access tightens. You don't chase drama anymore, you set the tone. You don't chase attention anymore, you attract it. Every woman you meet feels that shift. She can't necessarily explain it, but her body feels it. That's what true masculinity does to the female energy. It grounds it. Number 5, you've become unforgettable. Here's what makes this phase dangerous. Most men think pulling back makes them invisible, but when you pull back with intent, you become unforgettable because silence amplifies you. You become the thought that hangs on long after you leave. The presence she replays when she compares you to every man who talks too much and means too little. That's the difference between attraction and imprinting. Attraction fades when attention fades. Imprinting lasts because your energy left an actual mark. This phase makes you impossible to replace because even when you're gone, she still feels you. Number 6, you've replaced drama with peace. Don't rush this phase. Don't try to get back to who you were. That version of you was built on proving something. This one is built on peace, and peace will always outlast popularity. When you start living from a place of peace, everything starts adjusting to your pace. Conversations emotions slow down. Rooms feel quieter when you enter them. Even conflict behaves differently. Your energy regulates everything you touch. That's true masculine power. No aggression, no dominance, just pure control. You don't have to demand respect anymore because you just radiate it. Number 7, you've reached mastery. There's a stage of evolution where words stop working, where your silence becomes the entire conversation, where just the way you look at her makes her question every other man who tried to fill his insecurity with words. That's when women stop testing you and start trying to understand you because they feel something they've never felt before: stability. And once a woman feels stability in your presence, she starts to soften, usually without even realizing it. That's why stable and calm men will always win, because they make women relax in ways drama never could. She'll talk about your eyes, your tone, your presence, but she won't be able to quite explain it. It's not the way you look, it's the way she feels when you look at her. That's mastery. Number 8, you've outgrown everything average. This phase can feel like isolation, but it's not. It's fuel. It's the season where you build everything that will later draw the right people in, where discipline replaces distraction, where control replaces non-structure, and everyone who isn't built for your energy starts just falling away. And I want you to let them, because power feels lonely at first, because the majority of people can't match you. You'll outgrow conversations that used to excite you. You'll lose interest in women who used to catch your attention. You'll stop caring about being liked. That's when you'll know your power is real, because only when you stop chasing what you want, you start attracting what you deserve. Number 9, you've become magnetic. If you've been more selective with your time, less attracted to who you used to be, understand this: you're evolving. You're stepping into the stage where energy replaces effort, where every test, every game, every manipulation loses its power, because you've learned to control the one thing that can't be taken from you, which is your presence. And that's when everything changes. That's when women don't feel the need to test you as much, because they can automatically feel your boundaries. That's when men stop competing, because they can feel your leadership. And that's when peace stops being a goal and starts being your default. This is what real transformation looks like. Sometimes it's not the most glamorous, it's not the prettiest, but it's needed. And if you're ready to master that level of control, to turn this energy into unshakable attraction, grab my book, Attraction Secrets. It'll show you exactly how to become the man who doesn't chase, doesn't fold, and doesn't need validation to dominate any room he walks into. The link is in the description. So with that being said, until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.